What is up, YouTube? It's your boy Breezy Kicks, the sneaker fiend. Now today we're going over the Air Force One Low in the dusty red suede colorway. Now before we get into the shoes, make sure if you are new to the channel, you subscribe, hit that like button if you like the content. Follow me on Instagram at breezy_kicks23. That being said, it's your boy Breezy Kicks. Let's get it. Retail price tag was set at $110 US, and it did come in your average Air Force One box. So black, you got the silver Nike Air Force logo, and then your sizing. I did go with the size 10, which that is my true size. And normally you do want to go down half a size with Air Force Ones because I feel like they seem to be really bulky. But for some reason, I don't know if it's the suede material, but these fit perfectly. So if you do want this shoe and you can try them on first, I highly recommend it. Anyway, I know you guys don't care about the box, so let's get into the sneakers. And bam, the Air Force One Low in this dusty red suede colorway. The suede material on here goes off. I mean, it is just straight fire. I say that about all the shoes I review on my channel, but to be honest with you guys, I rarely ever buy a shoe if I don't think it's gonna be dope. So for the most part, once I get in hand, I do like the sneaker, and you know, it doesn't change anything here. This thing is super dope. This suede material is actually the thing that attracted me to this colorway and made me pull the trigger, because honestly, I normally don't like Air Force Ones, especially the low top versions, just because I feel they're really bulky, low to the ground. I just don't, for the most part, I don't really like low top sneakers anyway, and especially a bulky pair of low tops. It just feels way too heavy, it's way too low. I like high top, bulky shoes, so I'm usually not into Air Force Ones, honestly. But when I saw the suede material, the like faded color on this shoe, I had to pull the trigger. So I went ahead and I bought this red colorway as well as the blue colorway. You guys can go check out that review. And I'm actually very impressed. You know, you have the nice all suede upper. It is this wash suede material. It gives it this nice faded look. So the shoe's not too bold, it's not too loud, but you do have a bit of red going along on the colorway, which does add for a little bit of pop. You know, on the lace lock here, the lining, on the little Air logo on the heel, all that stuff comes in and just makes the shoe pop. Then you do have white that runs along the midsole, outsole, the laces, the whole tongue is white, and just the way that all collides just makes for a very nice colorway. Then you do have this like grayish color on the Nike swoosh as well as the heel section. You guys can see the white embroidered Nike logo on the back. Now, one thing I really like about this suede material Air Force One is you can really see the stitching on this shoe. So the suede material is that faded red, but then the stitching they use is solid red, and they have that solid red stitching on the Nike swoosh as well. And I think it just makes the shoe pop, and it just makes for such a better looking sneaker. And the other thing I didn't really like about Air Forces was the colorways have always kind of been trash in my opinion. Some people might hate me for saying that, but it's my honest opinion. I feel like they don't make that great of colorways for the Air Force One, unless it's an all white pair of Air Force Ones. But at that point, it's like everyone has an all white pair of Air Force Ones, so why would I want it, you know? But yeah, so this suede material, this nice washed red suede, like it just attracted my eye and I had to pull the trigger. And once I got on foot, that is the thing that made me decide that, hey, I might actually keep this pair in the personal collection, and I might actually rock it quite a bit this summer. So with that being said, let's look at these bad boys on feet.
But since the start I've been at ALTLC. Baby girl, you say you love me, damn it, we gon' see. Oh, I just wanna be the best that I can be. But then my mama need a Bentley and a ring. I know it's hard sometimes on Stevie, but I wonder it's gon' be. I take a little shorty to the hood and she like, damn, that's what you see. Shiny ain't no big homie, but my uncle let me see. Voted out banging on my chest, my slime gon' get you next, just watch me flex. Bitch, I'm in a scat, I burn gas like a jet. Pretty old swallow the bean, pretty old sucking on me. Smoking cookie dream, my bill I like green. Bitch, I'm a monster, banging on my chest, my slime gon' get you next, just watch me flex. Bitch, I'm in a scat, I burn gas like a jet. Pretty old swallow the bean, pretty old sucking on me. Smoking cookie dream, my bill I like green.
And bam, the Nike Air Force One Low in the dusty red suede material. Let me know what you guys think of this sneaker. What did you think of that look on foot? Did you cop this shoe? Are you gonna cop this shoe now that you've seen this video? Let me know all that good stuff down in the comment section below. If you are new to the channel, make sure you subscribe, hit that like button if you like the content. Follow me on Instagram at breezy_kicks23. That being said, it's your boy Breezy Kicks. We out.
I don't trust no one but a God that we trust, nigga. If we getting rated, everything is getting flushed. I done had 12 through that shit more than once, nigga. If I gotta go and make a move, best believe it's getting done. Best believe it's getting done. Best believe it's getting done. I don't trust no one but a God that we trust, nigga. If we getting rated, everything is getting flushed. I done had 12 through that shit more than once.